going to be learning about two-step equations. Can I have a student read off the objective for me, please? Liam.
Yeah, the student will be able to recognize different types of two-step equations and solve them.
Correct. Okay. Now, as you can see, I drew this scale up here. And this scale represents this equation down here. Both sides of the scale are balanced, just like in this equation. The left side of the scale represents the left side of the equation, the right side represents this right side. So we have the 5x, 5 times x, which is right here, plus the 4 equals the 24. So to solve this equation, first we have to isolate the variable. We have to isolate this plus sign right here and do the inverse. Can anyone tell me what the word inverse means? Lisa.
Opposite?
Yes, it does mean opposite. So we have to do the opposite, right? What's the opposite of plus? Minus.
Minus.
Correct. So we have to subtract off the 4 right here, and we know that in algebra, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So you cancel that out here, and you subtract off the 4 from this side. 24 minus 4 equals 20. So the next part of the equation will be 5x equals 20. So we'll just do kind of the same thing what we did. Do it to the picture too. So we took out the 4 by subtracting it. So now we'll take off 4 from here and make this 20. So the next step is to isolate the variable again and do the opposite, the inverse. And we see since there are 5 times x, we have to divide. So we have to get 1x equaling whatever. We have to find out what x is. We have to find out what 1x is. So we have to divide the 5x by 5. Since these cancel out, and then you have to do the same thing to the other side. So you have 20 divided by 5. So the answer to the problem is x equals 4. Okay, can I have a volunteer to draw the picture for the next one for me? Lisa. Now she's just going to come up and draw what I did over here. The same thing. Go ahead and pick any drawing if you like. So first start off by drawing the x's. So see this, she's drawing it right now, 5 times x. And she's also going to draw another block for the 5. And since the sides are balanced, she's going to write a 15 on the other side, correct. Thank you, Lisa. And so Lisa, do you want to try to solve this equation?
Sure.
Okay, so what is the first step?
Since there's a plus sign, I'm going to subtract
Yes.
from both sides.
Correct.
So that would be like taking the 5 away from
Right,
here
yes.
and making that 10. So 10 and 5x equals 10.
Yes, good. And now we're on to the next step of the equation, where we have to find out what 1x is. So since there are 5 x's, we have to divide by 5. So
Out and x equals
2.
2.
Good. All right. Now, to try to help you guys remember a little bit, I wrote up a little song for us. Let me just pull it up here. Okay. I'm going to start off by saying the line, and then you guys are going to repeat. So it's kind of the tune of Hokey Pokey, so just try to sing along. If it's minus on the left,
If
It's minus on the left,
then you add on the right.
then
you add on the right.
If it's plus on the left,
If
If it's plus on the left,
then subtract you will right.
then subtract you will right.
Isolate the variable and do the inverse.
Isolate the variable and do the inverse.
That's what it's all about.
That's what it's all about.
All right. Good job. Thank you.